Uh, Hitanagar sir, Rubya sir, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Hello, good morning.
Sir, good morning. Okay, so all of you students, I have already explained you about the concept of class and object. I have uploaded the PPT, okay, and also have uploaded the uh, instructions that I have already given to you. How we can create the directory, how we can create the folder, okay, everything, how to create a file, how to compile it, how to execute it, everything I have explained, and also the assignments I have uploaded, okay. So I have shared the distribution, okay, list, like there would be two groups, okay. So sir, Jitendra sir and Durga sir will share the link with you. All of you have to leave this link and you have to join to your respective faculty. I will be joining there. You can start with the assignment, okay. So all the simple program that I explained for to in the class, okay, that you can practice first, okay. And in the instruction guideline in the at the end, I have also written few of the home assignment, three home assignment there, you that also you can do. Then after that we can you can start with the assignment, okay. So there is one more document that I have uploaded in the classroom named as assignment, where you have to write the program using the concept of class and object, okay. So first three programs I have already shown in the class. I have written the program. I showed how to do the execution, everything I have shown. Okay. So first try to complete them and try to complete the rest of the assignment. Okay. Um, sir, ମୁଁ distribution list ଟା ଇଏରେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଲିଙ୍କ ସେୟାର କରିକି ସେମାନେ ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ ବି ଜଏନ୍ କରିବି।
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ୟାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପଢ଼ା ହେଲାଣି?
ହଁ ହଁ ସାର୍, ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାସରେ ପଢ଼େଇ ଦେଇଛି।
ଆପଣ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି ଥିଓରି?
ହଁ ହଁ
ଆପଣ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି ଥିଓରି?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଥିଓରି ନେଉଛି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା।
ଲେଟ୍ କଥା ନାହିଁ ଯେ, ମୁଁ ଥିଓରି କିଏ ନେଉଛି? ହଁ ଆପଣ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି ତ?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଥିଓରି ନେଉଛି। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପଢ଼େଇ ଦେଇଛି, ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ଆଉ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଆକ୍ସେସ୍ ସ୍ପେସିଫାୟାର ପଢ଼େଇଛି, ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ପଢ଼େଇନି। ସେତିକିରେ ସେମାନେ ଯେତିକି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଆଜିର ଅଛି, କିଛିଟା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମରେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ଯୋଉଟା ହୋମ୍ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି, ସେମାନେ ସେଇଟା ଆଗେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ତାପରେ first all of you check in one file I have written all the instruction जो मैं क्लास में बताई कैसे create करोगे। So it will be good if you are following the Ubuntu environment. If you are not following, that is also okay, we have given the flexibility, ठीक है। पहले वो complete करो, all of you have to complete that first, then you can start with the assignment. So there is one more document that I have uploaded. There I have written 5 assignments, from where I have already shown first 3 assignment in the class itself, okay. So that you can practice, then you have to complete the rest of the assignment, okay. Anyone is having any doubt?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
nothing has been
uploading
uploaded in the classroom yet.
Okay, just one. Okay. Yes, now you can able to see in the folder class and object I have uploaded. Sir, ଆପଣ ମାନେ
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଆଜି ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଠାରେ।
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ, ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ହେଲା। ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ,
ହଉ ହଉ
ଦେଖିବା କାହାର କ'ଣ ଡାଉଟ୍ ହେଉଛି
ହଁ
ସେଇଟା
ହଁ
କରିବା ହେଲା।
okay. Okay, from the next class onwards, we will divide the group. From this class, for this class, you can continue with the link. No one has to leave.
Ma'am, now we have to do assignment 2 or that 3 questions.
First, try to do the 3 question that I have written in home assignment. Then you can start with the assignment.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, any
One day,
order you
one day
can
one
follow.
will check at 10:15, huh? First three assignments, okay?
Okay, I have shared the slide of class and object in the WhatsApp group as well as in the classroom. All of you can check for your reference. You can refer to that if you have any doubt in defining a class, creating a class, and how to define the class member function. All of you can refer to that, and how to create object of a class, how to access the class member function through the object, how we can access multiple, how can create multiple objects of the class, how we can access them. Okay, and about the accessing member function inside and outside the class. Okay, how to make use of the access specifier. Okay, so few more thing I will explain in the next class, but for today lab, whatever assignment that has been given, that you can cover, that you can do by your own, whatever concept I have completed in the class. Okay.
मैम अभी वो असाइनमेंट 2 करना है या वो 3 क्वेश्चन जो मिले वो वाला करना है?
जितना हो रहा है करो, जो तुम्हें सही लग रहा है, जो सीक्वेंस सही लग रहा है करो, ठीक है, जो प्रोग्राम तुम कर सकते हो करो.
ओके मैम.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, where are those three problems that you have shared? I cannot find it. I can just find assignment 2 that you have shared in the classroom.
You can see a document, compile and run that document.
Yes.
At the
Oh,
end, I have written home assignment 1, 2, 3.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, just one thing that I want to say. Whenever you are doing the program, okay, so one program that I have given, that you have to enter the details of the marks of the student, and you have to compute the sum total and the percentage. Okay, so just while you are doing the program, whatever member function you are taking, okay, so I already shown you one example, or if whatever member function of a class you are taking, okay, so you can write the definition, like what function definition inside the class you can define, okay, or you can also uh, write it outside the class. Okay, so function definition, जो भी तुम वो फंक्शन जो भी काम करेगा उसका बॉडी जो भी लिख रहे हो, ठीक है, लाइक मान लो सिंपली यू आर finding out the volume or the area, okay, of a box or a room, okay, so जो भी उसका function definition है, if you are writing within the class, I already told how we can access it. And अगर तुम outside the class उसका definition लिखते हो, then you have to make use of the scope resolution operator. So these two things I have explained. There are two different ways to define the member function. One is inside the class definition or outside the class definition. And if you are defining it inside the class member, then you can make use of the dot operator, or if you are defining it outside the class definition, then you have to make use of the scope resolution operator. So these two things you can implement while you are doing the program in for the second or third program, where you have to find the student details. Okay, so there you can make use of that concept. Okay. Roll number 141. 141.
यस मैम।
हाँ, प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो?
यस मैम कर रहा हूँ।
How many programs you have completed?
मैम 2।
From home assignment or from assignment?
So मैम फ्रॉम असाइनमेंट।
Okay, first two.
यस मैम।
ठीक. 3 to 6.
यस मैम।
हाँ, प्रोग्राम हो रहा है?
यस मैम।
ठीक है. 357.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, how many programs you have done?
Ma'am, I'm in the second one. Almost done with the second one.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
402.
यस मैम।
हाँ, कितना प्रोग्राम किया?
मैम 2।
2 प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, करो. There will be any doubt, you can ask. 451.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I have done 2 programs in third half that I got errors, so I'm doing third.
Okay, ठीक है. 57.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done 2. I am doing the third one right now.
ठीक है. 532.
Yes ma'am, I have done 2 programs. I'm doing third.
Okay.
Ma'am, done 2 programs, doing the third.
Okay. To which compiler all of you using? Platform you are using online?
Ma'am, Dave C++.
Ma'am, VS Code.
Ma'am, code blocks.
Ma'am, online compiler.
Okay,
Online
correct.
compiler, ma'am.
Six 35.
Yes, ma'am. Doing the second one.
Okay. $7.96.
Ma'am, I'm doing the second one.
Okay.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
you skipped roll number 629
Okay. Sorry. कितना प्रोग्राम किए?
on the fourth one.
Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. करो. Roll number 862.
Yes, ma'am.
कितना
Ma'am, in the
प्रोग्राम?
second program.
ठीक है, करो. $865. 865.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Okay. Eight double six. Take. Eight seven four.
Ma'am, second one completed right now, and we'll be starting with the third one.
Take. 893. Ipshita.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing the third one.
Third one. Roll number 3364.
Yes, ma'am.
How many programs you have done till now?
Two from assignments and going for the third one.
Take. 3202.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कितना प्रोग्राम किए हो?
मैम तीसरा वाला कर रहा था.
सेकंड वन कंप्लीटेड.
हाँ मैम कंप्लीट किया था.
क्या कुछ एरर है?
मैम फिर बिना क्लास के कर दिया था, उसको भी अभी ठीक कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, तो सेकंड थर्ड यू कैन कंबाइन.
मैम स्ट्रक्चर से कर सकता है.
नहीं स्ट्रक्चर नहीं, तो क्लास एंड ऑब्जेक्ट
तो
का ये
आपस
ले.
में कंबाइन करके दोनों एक ही में.
हाँ,
ठीक है, इसी में कर देते हैं.
2958.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing the program?
Yes, ma'am. Two completed. I'm in the third one.
ठीक है.
मैम मैम आपने 279 बुलाया था.
नहीं मैं
ओके, ऑल राइट.
from the end I am calling the roll. 2921. 2921. 2601.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कितना प्रोग्राम किए हो?
Ma'am.
हेलो,
मैम थर्ड वाला कर रहे हैं.
ठीक है. How many of you completed the fourth one, complex number? You can raise your hand.
मैडम ये कोटा कर चलिए जोटा हमरा लैब असाइनमेंट ना आपण जोटा होमवर्क दे जंदी करछन.
नहीं से लैब असाइनमेंट बोधे करूछन समस्ते
हाँ कारण आपण जोटा होमवर्क देखिन सेतरे इनलाइन फंक्शन और ओवरलोडिंग फंक्शन होगा देइछ
हाँ मु सेटा पढेनी तो से माने एटा कंटिन्यू करन
हाँ लैब टा करंत
हाँ
लैब टा
हाँ
सहज अछि आगे Ayushi Gupta, are you done?
Yes, sir. Fifth question. Almost done.
Fifth question. 4 questions done, na?
Yes, sir.
You can show me.
Sir, is my screen visible? Sir.
Next. एक्सप्लेन कीजिए क्या क्या है इधर
Sir, first of all, I have declared a class with name student. Then I have declared three variable. First is roll number, then name, then total marks. Then in public part again, private in private the variable part won't be used for the whole code, and the public part the variable can be used for the whole code. Then I have declared another for giving the input. I have for getting the input, the variable is get details, and for displaying it is display.
It's not variable, it is member function.
I'm member of the function.
Those are data members, it is member function.
So from line number 12 to 23, I am inputting data as the class will be called. Then from 25 to 31, the data will be displayed on the screen.
Okay, run it.
Sir.
Okay, is it asking for the percentage also? I think in the assignment.
Yes, sir. In the second question, it is only asking for the roll number, name, and total marks. And for the percentage, it is third question. That is this code. And wait.
Some the program first, third one.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the percentage calculation?
So percentage calculation is line number 24.
Okay, run this one.
sir.
Okay. I guess fourth one.
Fourth one is this. Say the code.
Okay. Run it.
Then just a minute. So it is for 3 numbers. Sir, actually in question it was given for 10 numbers,
10
but
numbers,
10
okay.
number will be a little bit lengthy, so I have taken 3 numbers.
Okay. I will say stop sharing your screen. Try the other questions also. Okay.
So it is almost done. The last question is done. It
It's
is
fine. You
done.
stop sharing. Yeah, sure. Your roll number was last 4 digits.
It's a 21052576.
257.
Option.
Five, 8, 6, 5. How many programs you have completed?
4.
Okay. Can you show your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Click on the program. Okay, show me the second one. Second one. Yes. What function you have taken? fgetS. What is fgetS?
Take input. Character array it is to take input.
You show the program. I can't see the program. You go to the top. Okay. So class members you have taken as private.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the top. Can you explain the function definition, member function, whatever thing you have written?
Member function I have taken void scan details, which scans the detail of the students, take the name, roll number, and the marks of the subjects, and then take here only I have calculated the total marks and the percentage. And in another member function, I have print the details of the students. I have used an array of marks, then loop. I have used loop to print the details and the total marks here that I have stored in this void scan details.
Taking marks for the student in 5 subjects through loop. For loop you have used.
Yes, ma'am. I have taken a loop of 5, which goes up to 5 and takes subjects.
Yeah, I understood, but that's not really required. I showed you can also take, you can cascade the input, you can take input in a single statement also, you can take the input. Okay, no problem.
I want to print that C out, enter the marks of the subject of student in subject 1, 2, likewise. That's why I have used.
Okay. Okay, the third one. Okay,
this is third one. This is fourth one that I have done.
You're doing the fourth one.
No, ma'am, I'm trying something else.
Just you have to take two class member, real number and imaginary. Then you can take two function for input, taking the input of the real part of the complex number and taking the input for the imaginary part.
Ma'am, I have done like this.
Just a minute. That's the imaginary part. So can you show me the main function?
Yes, ma'am.
Main. Okay, array. Okay, fine. You can close. Stop screen sharing.
Ma'am, what was his roll number? The last person who presented.
5865.
Okay.
Roll number 629.
Yes, ma'am.
How many program you have completed?
Ma'am, all except 6th.
Okay.
Shall I share my screen?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is the first program where ma'am, here what we are doing is we are taking the input of name.
You show me the fifth one.
Oh, okay. This is the fifth one, where we are taking feet and inches, and we are calculating the sum of feet and inches.
Okay, you have taken all the class member and member function inside public.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the next one?
I haven't done the 6th one, but I have done the 7th one. Here we are calculating, here we are taking input of two coordinates, x-axis, x and y coordinates, and then we are calculating the distance. This is the formula.
Okay. Okay. You can continue and complete the rest of the program.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who will complete the program for the assignment that I have given, you can refer to the PPT that I have shared in the classroom, the PPT about the class and object. There in the, I think, after few slides, there is a class work. Okay, there we have few more program in order to calculate the area for rectangle. There you can show how to create object and the concept of object class and accessing the data member and member function. You can make write the program, and through that program you can demonstrate all the use of object class and accessing the data member and member function in order to calculate the area for rectangle. And another program classwork that has been given to make a class of triangle, and you have to take the input for the three sides of the triangle and you have to calculate the area. These things you have earlier done in programming in C. Okay, just we have to follow the C++ programming pattern. Okay, and the third program in the classwork they have given us to calculate the simple earned interest by using the object class and accessing the operator outside the class definition. I already shown you one example in the class how we can access the member function outside the class definition. Okay. So you can first try and complete these assignment. Then after that you can go for the classwork assignment.
Ma'am, can I share?
Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. 3 program completed.
Okay, try to do 4, 5. Then sir will ask you to display. Okay, those who are completing minimum 5 program, they can raise your hand. Sir will ask you to share your screen. Any 5.
Hmm. 332. 332.
Yes, sir.
So your screen.
Yes, sir.
Oh. ये क्या है? कौन सा प्रोग्राम है ये? हैं? अरे ये स्ट्रिंग डाटा टाइप कहाँ है? सी प्लस प्लस में है? हैं? हेलो, am I audible to you? क्या हो गया? Why you stop sharing?
लैग कर रहा है सर, लैग कर रहा है मेरा।
कहाँ लैग कर रहा है? सब तो दिखाई जा रहा था। लैग लैग कहाँ कर रहा था? मैं तो तुझे पूछ रहा हूँ तो बंद कर दिया।
हाँ सर, आप बोलिए।
ये स्ट्रिंग डाटा टाइप है? क्या हुआ? अभी क्या लैग कर रहा है?
सर उस टाइम माइक ऑन नहीं था मेरा।
मैं तो अभी क्या लैग कर रहा है? जब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ वो बोल नहीं पा रहा है, वो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ। क्या हो गया? कैमरा ऑन करो तुम्हारा।
यस सर।
क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा मैंने?
कि स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप है या नहीं सी प्लस प्लस में।
हाँ हाँ। कितना टाइम लगता है आंसर देने में? प्रोग्राम कौन बनाया?
सर ये तो मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा सा पता था, थोड़ा मैंने हेल्प लिया।
पता चल रहा है। फास्ट वाला दिखाओ। कितना प्रोग्राम किया अब तक?
सर दूसरा
एक ही प्रोग्राम है अब तक? 1.5 घंटा में एक ही प्रोग्राम हुआ है, वो भी पूछने से बोल नहीं पा रहे हो? हैं? अगर तुम्हें if you are facing any kind of problem you should have to share with us. Have you shared? हैं? अंधेरे में बैठ जाते हो। Make him 0 sir for today's class. Make him 0. Stop sharing. Arbitrarily raccoon. 1354. What happened? 629.
Sir completed all the programs.
Okay. Just wait. 1354. Tanmay Sahu.
Yes sir.
Share your screen.
Yes sir.
कौन सा दिखाएगा?
तो ये वाला एक्चुअली एवरेज का निकाल रहा था मैं।
बड़ा कर फॉन्ट साइज बड़ा करो। एवरेज निकालने के लिए।
यस सर।
हाँ, क्या एवरेज निकालता है इसमें?
सर ये एक्चुअली डायरेक्टली मतलब 1 to 5 हो गया था, तो मैं इसको अभी चेंज करके इनपुट लेने वाला हूँ, मतलब यूजर से इनपुट लूँगा यहाँ पर।
यूजर से इनपुट क्या? क्यों?
सर तो अगर वो इनपुट देगा एरे में, तो उसके बाद मैं एरे को मतलब ऐड कर, मतलब एरे का ईच वैल्यू लेके मैं 5 मतलब
ये क्यों लिखा है ARR डॉट इनपुट? ये क्यों लिखा है?
सर ARR क्लास का है।
लाइन नंबर 24। लाइन नंबर 24।
यस सर।
हाँ, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस?
सर एरे यहाँ का ये वेरिएबल है, एरे डॉट
किस
इनपुट
टाइप का वेरिएबल?
यस सर।
किस
मेन
टाइप
में
का वेरिएबल?
सर एरे टाइप मतलब एरे है वो एक।
टाइप समझ रहे हो? कुछ डाटा टाइप?
सर इन डाटा टाइप।
इन डाटा टाइप कहाँ लिखा है इंट बोल के?
सर यहाँ पर इनपुट उसमें लूंगा इंट।
अरे मैं तुम्हें RA1 का बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे तुम दिखा रहे हो इनपुट। RA1 जो बोले डाटा टाइप है, किस टाइप का डाटा टाइप है RA1? बस हो गया, काम खत्म।
सर एरे इज ऑब्जेक्ट सर।
अरे जी ऑब्जेक्ट?
एरे वन इज ऑब्जेक्ट।
किस टाइप का ऑब्जेक्ट?
सर
व्हाट्सएप में मिल गया, आ गया आंसर? तो इतना टाइम लगता है आंसर बोलने में? हैं? क्या बड़ा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया ना क्या मैंने, जो इतना टाइम लगता है?
मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था एक्चुअली।
क्या कंफ्यूज हो गया था? मैं तो कुछ कंफ्यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं डायरेक्ट पूछ रहा हूँ व्हाट इज द डाटा टाइप ऑफ दिस RA1। और कंफ्यूज कहाँ से हो गया? कंफ्यूज हो रहा वार्ड, और आंसर देने के लिए तुम लोग तैयार रहते हो, जो आंसर चाहिए वो आंसर नहीं है। कितना प्रोग्राम किया अब तक?
सर मैंने ये वाला किया है और इसके बाद और दो किए थे। तीसरा वाला असाइनमेंट का थोड़ा मतलब परसेंटेज में मुझे वो बार
असाइनमेंट भाषा में भूल जाओ, कितना प्रोग्राम किए हो मुझे दिखाओ। सो होम असाइनमेंट हो या लैब असाइनमेंट हो, कुछ भी हो, वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्शन।
टोटल 4
प्रोग्राम कितना किया? 4?
ये सर।
और 2 कहाँ है? और 3 दिखाओ
सर। और एक ये वाला क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पर एक एरर आ रहा है।
क्या क्वेश्चन है? क्या एक ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर, एक इसमें क्या है? इंटरैक्टिव पाइथन कोर्स क्या है? प्रोग्रामिंग है? ऊपर चलना, ऊपर चलो। ये स्ट्रिंग नेम क्यों लिखा है? कहाँ से कॉपी पेस्ट किया है?
नो सर, मैंने खुद से किया, ये सी में यूज किया गया था तो मैं तब मुझे पता।
सी में होता है स्ट्रिंग डाटा टाइप होता है?
सर ये सर सी यूज करके हम इनपुट डाल सकते हैं, मतलब उसमें एरे
डाल सकते हो। कौन सा किताब में लिखा है?
सर मैंने मेरा सेकंड वाला प्रोग्राम।
तुम नहीं, कौन सा किताब में पूछ रहा हूँ। तुम मत बोलो, कौन टीचर बोले, कौन सा किताब बोला, ये बताओ।
सर मैं प्रीवियसली प्रोग्राम जब सर्च किया था तब मिला था, मैंने ये खुद से किया।
सर्च करो, वो तो पता है, सर्च करो मिला मैं, लेकिन मेरे तुम्हें कहाँ से मिला मैं नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, कहाँ से पढ़े हो मैं वो पूछ रहा हूँ।
सर नेट से पढ़ा, देन उसके बाद मैंने खुद से लिखा ये सर।
नेट से पढ़ा, सी में स्ट्रिंग डाटा टाइप होता है बोलते?
ये सर स्ट्रिंग नेम लिखा, उसके बाद मैंने ये सब लिखा।
हाँ, तो वो नेट से पढ़ने से ऐसे लिखोगे, समझे? किताब फॉलो नहीं करने से कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, नेट से ही पढ़ो। नेट से तो कोर्स हो रहा है, तुम लोग इंजीनियर बन रहे हो, और मैम टीचर जो पढ़ाएंगे उसका क्या मीनिंग है? नहीं, उसका कुछ मीनिंग नहीं, तुम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हो उसका मीनिंग है, उसको ही फॉलो करो। सब शेयरिंग मजाक बना के रखे। सेवन 96 796 796।
हेलो।
हाँ
यस सर। सर यहीं पे था सर।
तो 3 बार बुला दिया, सुनाई नहीं दिया। बहुत ज्यादा मैसेज आ रहा है फोन में। शेयर करो, वो भी बोलना पड़ेगा।
कर रहा हूँ सर।
क्या हो गया 333?
Sir, can I share after that?
Do you have any doubt?
No, sir, I have done 3 programs.
Okay. Just wait. Huh? It's okay. Very good.
Okay, sir.
I also want to say.
Okay. Hold on.
सर सिर्फ फर्स्ट वाला किया सर, सेकंड वाला कर रहा हूँ.
कहाँ फास्ट वाला किया? दिखाओ फास्ट वाला. ये?
यस सर.
यही फास्ट वाला है?
हाँ सर.
1.5 घंटा 1 hour 40 minutes में यही 2 लाइन लिख पाया?
सर मैं एब्सेंट था, लाइक अभी लास्ट क्लास मैम जब पढ़ाए थे तो लाइक सर मैं चेक करता कि क्या क्या हुआ है.
वो बात पहले से बोलना चाहिए था. मैं जो पूछ रहा हूँ तब बोल रहा है तो एब्सेंट था. सर मैम भी बीच में बहुत कुछ पूछे, सर भी और एक सर भी पूछे. तुम्हारा तो कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं था. तुम तो कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे हो अब तक 1.5 घंटे में. Have you asked any question to us?
सर मैं पूरा क्लास
don't tell me ऐसे. Okay, please. Yes or no? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Have you asked any question to us?
No,
if
sir.
you have any doubt, have you asked any doubt to us?
No, sir.
Then why you are taking the excuse? डालो 0. Stop sharing. मजा बना. Stop sharing.
But that time when I asked you how many programs you have done, you told that ma'am I have completed 2 programs.
Ma'am, I told that I am doing the second one.
Ma'am,
told that I am completing the second one.
So how much time you require to do the first 2-3 program? Already in the class I showed you. And whatever things you have written also, that is not the way I explained in the class. You just simply have to print the roll number and the name. So for that you do not require STD operator. These things are not really required.
Ma'am, I just told that I was absent in the last class, so I was like asking my friends like what did you taught in the last class.
No, you don't need to ask any friend. Here there is no friend. You have your teacher, you have your faculty. If you have any doubt, you ask us. We are here to help you out.
Okay, so ma'am, I missed my last class. So will you teach me what you taught in the last class in this lab class? Like it's not possible. So like even if I ask you, ma'am, I have a doubt. So you are not going to teach me the whole thing you taught in the last class.
You can ask me basic things. That thing which sir is asking you, that you could have informed me earlier. No, ma'am, I'm doing. So if you're saying I'm doing the program, that means we will assume that you have no problem understanding the concept. If someone is saying, like someone has said that, ma'am, I'm doing this program, I'm doing the third one. That means what? We will understand, at least you are comfortable writing the basic program. So till now we have not yet covered very concept. We have just covered the concept of class and object. How to create a class, how to create an object of the class, how to access the class member and member function. This thing I have only taught, nothing else. And how to define the class outside, inside the class, outside the class. फंक्शन कैसे डिफिनेशन उसका लिखो. तो तुम्हारा अगर एब्सेंट हो जो भी हो तो क्लास एंड लैब इज कनेक्टेड, इट्स नॉट सेपरेट. That I will teach separately for the lab, I will teach separately for the class. अगर तुम क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हो, that is your problem, right? Because I'm not going to repeat the same thing in the lab also. तो अगर तुम्हारा स्टार्टिंग से प्रॉब्लम है कि जो असाइनमेंट दे रहे हैं मैम दे रहे हैं उसमें तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं क्लास अटेंड नहीं की हूँ, इसका बैकग्राउंड पता नहीं है, देन यू हैव टू इन्फॉर्म अस फ्रॉम योर साइड. वी विल नॉट आस्क इंडिविजुअली. And we are also in meanwhile, everyone is asking you if there is any sort of doubt you are having, you have to let us know, you have to inform us. So that this is the very fundamental thing. From here you have to start. If your concept is not clear, you don't know, you are creating an object of a class, you are not able to specify what is the data type of that particular object. you won't can't able to explain that, then these things you have to clarify first thing, then you can go for the uh, concept of function, friend function, inline function. Basic things if you are not clear, then we cannot help you out. Okay, so just the thing is, the way you said, ma'am, you cannot explain the entire theory class in the lab. I will not explain. Why I will explain the same thing? So it is your lookout. If you are not attending the class, you have to find a way how you will get to know the things. अगर
So,
नहीं है, then you
ma'am,
can let us know.
I just told that I was asking my friends that what you taught in the last class, but
No,
sir is not
then
trying to listen, and then
no,
you are giving
नहीं
me
नहीं,
telling me
सर
that.
का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरा भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
Yeah.
तुम्हारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Only one thing I am saying, by that time when I was calling out all of your roll number, at that time I asked how many programs you have done. You said, ma'am, 2. Have you mentioned that time that, ma'am, I was absent in the class? I was not able to follow what you have explained. I was not able to follow the program that has been given to us. Have you, from your side, you have to inform that, so that we will get to know कि तुम्हारा क्लास तुम अटेंड नहीं किए हो, तुम्हारा थोड़ा लेट चलेगा जो भी प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो. सो दैट आइडिया वी नीड टू हैव, राइट? Otherwise, how we will individually connect to everyone virtually? This is
Ma'am,
not possible.
you just told me that it's not my fault, it's not even your fault, it's not sir's fault also that I was absent, so I don't know. But you were just saying, ma'am, that if I tell you that I was absent in the last class, you will just tell me like what I missed. But then if I'm trying to tell the sir that I was absent, okay, that was my mistake that I didn't tell you in the first time. But like sir is telling me like, okay, it's 0, you don't know, what are you doing? Like, ma'am, it's like, what's this?
Huh? Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
sir
sir.
is-
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. Switch on your camera. Just a-
Hello.
Switch on your camera.
Is it compulsory, sir?
Compulsory. ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ବୁଝେଇଲା କଣ ସେ ଡେୟାର କଲା, ବୁଝିଲେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍? ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ବୁଝେଇଲେ, ବୁଝେଇବାଟା ଆମର ଭୁଲ. ଘଣ୍ଟେ 40 ମିନିଟ୍ ପରେ ପଚାରି ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ କେମିତି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ତ, ପଚାରିବା ବୁଝେଇବା ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଭୁଲ ଆମର. What happened? 796? ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍.
ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ ଡିଭାଇଡ କରିଦବା ହେଲା, ବୁଝିଲେ, ନହେଲେ ହବନି.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो
सर
अभी।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम एटा कि आमे लास्ट वीक रे सी लैंग्वेज रे थिलु। आज मैम जस्ट स्टार्ट करले क्लासेस।
हिंदी समते बुझे तू खाली मत कहू ना कौन
ना
हिंदी
आपण को खाली कहूजे कि से काई ताको से प्रॉब्लम टा कोन होछ ताको सेटा
ना ना
खाली
ना
कहू।
ताको ता प्रॉब्लम सी कहबो तो प्रॉब्लम कह समते बुझे
हाँ सर मो प्रॉब्लम भी हम कहूची कि लास्ट वीक आमे सी रे थिलु कि आपण कहले कि स्ट्रक्चर वो सब क्लियर कर दियो एंड विल मूव ऑन टू C++ फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स। बट आज एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन से तो आसी गलानी तो टिके कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लागुच काने आमे सी रे थिलु ना सडनली आज C++ रे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे पड़छ। सो सेट टिके प्रॉब्लम होछ।
तो रोल नंबर 803
यस मैम।
तो मु आज ही स्टार्ट कर ली हैव आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग यू अबाउट क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम टुडे नो
ना मैम अपन ना ना डिस्कस तो करूथुलु बट स्टिल सी रे थिलु हमें मु कथा हला कि बेसिकली हम सी रे डाउट्स क्लियर हेनी ना मैम हम सी रे भी प्रॉब्लम्स थिला देन C++ सेटा ही होछ।
So see that is what I was repeatedly saying from the first class that if you have any doubt regarding array, loop, conditional statement, these things we are not going to teach you again because this is a different subject that you have to revise. Okay, about the concept of class and object, these things I have earlier taught in the class and today I just showed you by doing the practical thing, like I write the program, I saved it, I show you how to do the compilation, how to do the execution, everything I showed you through 2 to 3 examples. It is not possible my end also I can write all the programs, so it will also consume time, right?
Yes.
I showed you the fundamental thing, okay, which you can do. Like for today's lab, whatever things you need to know, whatever things that is essential, that I showed. If you have attended from 8 o'clock sharp, those who have attended, I don't think don't be having any issues with the how to create a class, how to create a instance of the class, everything. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. It will take time. Okay, fine, that we understood. But if someone is not attending the class, if you are not informing us from your end, then how we will get to know? That is why we are asking, right? Repeatedly I asked, if you are having any difficulty, let us know. Let us know the sir or us, because everything it's not possible. Like I will teach the same thing in the class, you will miss it, then again I will repeat it in the lab. From my side, is there any difficulty understanding, making you understand how to do the program, how to write the simple program? Okay, fine. Some of them, if they know it earlier, they are doing. If you people जिनका भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, we are not saying कि तुम थोड़ा लैग करोगे, ठीक है, but do you people let us know कि हम कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि नहीं, कि हम सर ये बोल रहे हैं, ये बोल रहे हैं. So that is the way how we will ask. We cannot control every one of you from यहाँ पे virtually नहीं हो सकता ये, ठीक है. सो दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, मैं जो भी क्लास में जो जितना भी आज पढ़ाया उतने बेसिस पे मैं दी हूँ, और तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड जो भी आरे का कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट वहाँ का कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. ये सारे प्रोग्राम में भी इतना डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगा जो तुम यूज कर रहे हो. फंक्शन का बेसिक चीज हम यूज कर रहे हैं, तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट तुम्हें क्लियर करना है.
आगे मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Ma'am, can I share?
If I will, all of you continue with the assignment that I have given for today's lab. If you have any difficulty, then we can also in the class and the lab also we will continue with the concept. Okay, I will show you the program, but again, for my side, I can show you maximum 2 to 3 programs I can do that, but you have to do your own, and from your end you have to also do the practice, because every concept is not cannot be covered in a stipulated time period. Okay, so तुम्हें भी तुम्हारे साइड से जो तुम्हारा previous concept है उसको भी तुम्हें revision करना है. I have shared the slide with you. If you have doubt in the basic concept, then you have to clarify from your end. then we can go for the programming in C++. Okay. So all of you try and complete the assignment that I have given. Next class we will resume.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
हम असाइनमेंट को डॉक फॉर्म में नहीं दे सकते क्या?
नहीं. I will not repeat this in any lab. I had made it very clear from the beginning. Handwritten. That is the way everyone is following in every lab. अगर कुछ लिख लोगे तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो जाएगा. You should develop the practice of writing. That I'm repeatedly saying. तुम्हें practice करना है because you will be attending offline examination. There you have to write. Okay. So develop the practice of writing. No document, no soft copy, nothing. Program, write the heading, write the program that you have done in your lab, write the output, then scan it, submit it. That is the way how we will accept.
Also, ma'am, they have to produce those written documents while they are coming to the lab physically. So you just
Yes.
maintain
Here
that.
also, when we will attend the physically your lab, you have to maintain a record also.
I will send
You
the
are taking the, you cannot take the advantage. Like 1 month के बाद तुम लोग यहाँ पे आके लिखोगे. So develop the habit of writing. Everything is not going to happen online. So offline में तुम्हें लिखना है. You have to write the program. So अभी से practice नहीं करोगे, then you will face the difficulty.
Yes.
And I will not repeat this in any lab. Which form of writing will be accepted, which will not be accepted. I won't repeat this. Yes. हाँ बोलो. Write it in a A4 size paper and scan it and upload it.
I will share the samples in the group.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम लाइक मैम 2 असाइनमेंट्स हो गए हैं और मैम 1-2 और हो जाएंगे, तो मैम जो उनकी हार्ड कॉपी है वो हमको अपने साथ रखनी होगी या फिर मतलब वहाँ पे आने के बाद से?
That I will discuss and let you know. अभी के लिए बस you have to write the program and you upload it in the classroom till it is offline.
Ma'am, can't we write in the copy because I made a separate copy for lab.
ठीक है, करो. Separate copy में भी लिखना है तो लिखो.
Okay.
But you have to write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 141.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 326.
Yes, present, ma'am.
357.
Present, ma'am.
402.
Present, ma'am.
451.
Present, ma'am.
457.
Present, ma'am.
532.
Present, ma'am.
540. 629.
Present, ma'am.
635. 796.
Present, ma'am.
So why didn't you respond that time? Sir told you to show your screen or switch on your video.
I was having internet issues at that time.
What issues?
Network issue, ma'am, at that time.
Network issue. You can give any excuses, but at any point of time, whenever sir will call you and instruct you to do anything, you have to do. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us to control the whole class.
Ma'am, just see, I have done one program. I could even leave the meeting, but I didn't leave because
Sir is not having any grudge or anything. You just calm, raho.
I also don't have any
calmly, right? I am
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
with
I also-
calmly.
ma'am,
Sir
I am
का भी
also-
कोई problem नहीं.
Ma'am,
ठीक
I
है?
am also calm. I am not trying to slander anyone, ma'am. I am also telling that it was my mistake. I am sorry, ma'am. It was my mistake that I didn't
कोई
inform you
सॉरी
guys.
नहीं है, कोई नहीं है. बट जब भी सर बोलेंगे,
Yes.
मैम बोलेंगे, कुछ बोल रहे हैं, you have to follow that instruction.
Yeah, so ma'am,
That's it.
it was my mistake. But sir
problem.
didn't.
No
So
explanation is required. No problem. Have
Okay,
I
ma'am.
said anything? Sir कुछ बोले हैं तुम्हें?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. It was my mistake. Sorry for disturbing the class.
862.
Present, ma'am.
865.
Present, ma'am.
866. 874. 893,
Present, ma'am.
1279,
Present, ma'am.
1016,
Present, ma'am.
1084,
Present, ma'am.
1090,
Present, ma'am.
1094,
Present, ma'am.
1164,
Present, ma'am.
1225,
Present, ma'am.
1295, 1297,
Present, ma'am.
1299,
Present, ma'am.
1311,
Present, ma'am.
1314, 1317,
Present, ma'am.
1320,
Present, ma'am.
1321,
Present, ma'am.
1323,
Present, ma'am.
1327,
Present, ma'am.
1329,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
333,
Present, ma'am.
337,
Present, ma'am.
343,
Present, ma'am.
351,
Present, ma'am.
352,
Present, ma'am.
354,
Present, ma'am.
357,
Present, ma'am.
360,
Present, ma'am.
361,
Present, ma'am.
369,
Present, ma'am.
374,
Present, ma'am.
383,
Present, ma'am.
401,
Yes, ma'am.
406,
Present, ma'am.
422,
Present, ma'am.
424,
Present, ma'am.
444,
Present, ma'am.
448,
Present, ma'am.
546,
Present, ma'am.
790.
Ma'am, present, present, ma'am, present.
Okay, 803,
Present, ma'am.
848, 889,
Present, ma'am.
2007, 2063, 2158,
Present, ma'am.
2302,
Present, ma'am.
2332,
Ma'am, present.
2374,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Present, ma'am.
76,
Present, ma'am.
2377,
Present, ma'am.
78,
Present, ma'am.
2484,
Present, ma'am.
2530,
Present, ma'am.
2545,
Present, ma'am.
2576,
Present, ma'am.
2601, 2601,
Present, ma'am.
2921,
Present.
2958,
Present, ma'am.
3202,
Present, ma'am.
3364.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, 1314 present.
Next time onwards you have to
Ma'am,
respond.
790.
एक टाइम में रेस्पॉन्ड देना है, ठीक है?
Ma'am, actually my mic was off from the system side.
वो मैं जाके करूँ तुम्हारे लिए.
नहीं मैम, नहीं मैम. 790 मैम.
790.
Yes ma'am.
Last digit?
790.
Tell me the last four.
2105 1790.
Okay, 179. ठीक.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम मैम एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था असाइनमेंट में से. मैम जैसे सेकंड क्वेश्चन में मैम लाइक ओनली मैम उसमें एंटर करना था इनपुट और मैम डिस्प्ले करना था. मैम if we have to ma'am take in user input that ma'am we have to do ma'am instead of display we have to use put details.
हाँ मतलब any function name you can take, right? वो तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड कर रहा है तुम क्या फंक्शन लेना चाहते हो. To get the details you can take the function to get the details about the student, and in order to display, you can put different, you can make use of different function.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Bolo.
Ma'am, for assignment 2, ma'am, the question number 3 is related to question number 2, or is it separate?
It's small related. Just you can also combine that thing. In one program, you can compute the sum and percentage also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So ma'am, while writing, we can write one program.
You can do that.
Okay.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में सेकंड पार्ट वो समझ नहीं आया. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन?
किसमें?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सेकंड पार्ट. That B1 that given in hint.
Question number?
5th.
मैम ये असाइनमेंट कब तक सबमिट करना है?
We will continue and do more assignment for the next level. I will give you the timeline. Okay, so this thing I will explain in the lab or maybe in the class because I have another class to attend. Okay, next class में बता दूँगी.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.